Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Coco Trial. In today's video, I'm gonna be filming how to make this delicious, tantalizing, fantabulous, yes, just name it, fish pie fillings. And guess what? This is a top notch. It's a must try for everyone, for real. So the aroma, the taste, the everything, even the color, it's not from this planet. So don't let me waste too much of your time. Let's dive into the video, shall we? For this recipe, I'll be using some titus fish, diced potato, shredded carrot, chopped onion, bay leaves, curry, thyme, seasoning, salt, oil, and a tablespoon of flour. So get the ingredients ready and let's get cooking. So guys, I'm gonna start by placing my fish inside the pot, and then I'm going to be seasoning it with some bay leaves, salt, and seasoning cubes. Then I'm gonna add 2 cups of water just to boil this. I'm gonna cover it and leave it to cook for 7 minutes. So while the fish is boiling, I'm gonna go ahead in another pot. I'm gonna add my oil, and then once it heats a little bit, I'm gonna add my diced onion. Then I'm gonna stir fry it till it's transparent. Once it's transparent, I'm gonna add my curry powder and some thyme. Then I'm going to fry it together with it for about 1.5 minutes. So after 1.5 minutes, I'm gonna add my shredded carrots. Then I'm gonna stir fry everything together again for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and add my diced potato. Guys, this is the best part, my favorite part. So I'm just gonna stir everything together, then check on the fish, and then I'm gonna be adding my fish broth into the pot. So guys, I added my fish broth into my vegetables, and then I'm gonna give it some stir. But then this water is not enough for me. I had to add another cup of water. After adding another cup of water, I stir it well to combine, and this is because I want my fish pie to be saucy from inside. I want that sauce. So go ahead and do yourself, okay? So at this stage, if it needs more seasonings and salt, you can add it. If it doesn't, you don't have to do that. So I stir it well to combine, and then I'm gonna go ahead and debone my fish. So guys, this has been boiling for 5 minutes, and yes, I'm done deboning the fish. So make sure you remove all the spike as much as you can. And guess what? At this point, the kitchen is smelling so nice. I just feel like sleeping inside the pot. But then, so you're just gonna stir it well to combine, and then you're going to mix it well to combine, okay? So right now we'll go ahead and prepare our flour water, just a tablespoon of flour and some water, and mix it together. Look what we got. So you're just gonna pour it in there and then mix it. Yes, give it some mix thoroughly to combine, and then it's thicken the sauce. And guys, you really need to try this for real. If you haven't tried any recipe on my channel, be sure to try this out. Actually, yes, finger crossed, I'm very sure you're gonna fall in love with it. So, and our sauce is ready. So I don't want to cook it more because we're still gonna put it inside our dough and bake it, so it will still cook more in the oven, and it's ready to serve. I hope you like this video. If you like it, give me thumbs up, share, comment, okay? Try it out and let me know how you feel in the comment section. Thank you.